Hey, I'm Matt with Meat Church. Let's make these delicious smoked fried wings. Well, it's Super Bowl week, and so what I thought we would do is we're gonna cook what I have always recommended anytime you're hosting some sort of football watching party, and that is to make wings that you can ultimately finish various different ways, meaning various different flavors to appease a big crowd. And what we're gonna do today is my absolute favorite. We're gonna sauce them one way, but as I just said, you could sauce them multiple ways at the end if you like. What we're doing is we're going to smoke wings and then we're going to fry the wings. But I'm gonna go into some detail on why I'm doing the various things that I'm doing in those stages so you can make sure to deliver the very best product to your friends and family. So let me get a disposable cutting board. So what we're starting out with here are 2 dozen wings that we air dried on this rack overnight in the fridge. As you can see, they're sticking. So one of my tips to getting wings a little bit crispier or any type of poultry is to dry it out in the fridge. So open these up from the package, patted them dry, put them on this wire rack and just left them in the refrigerator overnight. Had to be 12 to 14 hours. They're totally dry. Same thing works at Thanksgiving with your turkey. Well, that's step one. Now we're gonna need some seasoning. We got a lot of seasoning options. We're going straight down the middle of the road, barbecue flavor profile, so the gospel all-purpose, but use whatever you like. So season them up super thoroughly, toss them. We want a lot of seasoning on these. If you want to use a binder, you could have hit that with some cooking spray before you season, a little oil, anything you want. I don't think it's super necessary. You want this seasoning to adhere for at least 15 to 30 minutes, but it's not going to hurt you to leave this on here even longer if you want to prepare in advance. Move those aside, and let's talk about cooking now. So smoked fried, a little bit of detail on this. I want these wings smoked, like really smoked. I'm not talking about putting the wings in your smoker and just cooking them at some high temperature until they're done. I'm talking about taking the time to actually smoke them. So what I've done is I set up a Traeger at 225 degrees with super smoke, and I used Meat Church pellets. Now, since I want them smoky, I want a smokier wood. So my pellets are oak and hickory. You can use whatever wood you want, but if you're looking for a really smoked flavor, you want to use a mesquite, an oak, a hickory, something heavy, not anything light like a fruit wood or anything like that. And it took us right at 3 hours at 225 super smoke to get these wings to 165. So I'm gonna pull those out and show you those. Been smoking these all morning. And as you can see, these aren't just cooked, they are smoked. You could get the same result if you cook these in an offset smoker. That'd be another great option. But what I was looking for is that just beautiful smoke color. Like, these have reduced in size quite a lot. So these would be delicious just like this. But why do you want to smoke fry? I've done this video a number of ways in the past. The first time we did it was with my friend Malcolm Reed. He came here in my backyard. We taught a couple barbecue schools, and I told him, my wife will only eat wings if they're crispy. When you smoke a wing, that's not gonna be crispy. Despite the fact that you air dried it, even if you put a little cornstarch on it, it's not gonna be crispy. It's gonna be good, but it's not gonna be crispy. Anytime you're smoking, not gonna deliver crispiness. So we're going to fire up some peanut oil and we're going to fry them. You could either fry them one time or you could do a double fry. Today we're gonna do a single fry because I think that will be good. So I'm gonna go back here and get my peanut oil going, and then we're gonna fry these. Okay, we've got our oil up to 350. Using a spider here, I'm gonna drop these wings in. All right, it's been almost 3 minutes. I love the color on these, so I'm gonna pull them off. Putting them on a wire rack here so that the oil can drain off so you don't lose any crispiness. All right, the wings have just come out of the oil. I mentioned they're on a wire rack here over some butcher paper, and you can see all the grease here. That way, you just let it all run off and you maintain that crispiness. Now, you can eat these just like this. What I would do is I'd make a lot more than this, and I would toss them in various sauces. That way, you kind of have options for different people. You can have hot, you can have buffalo, you can have barbecue, you can have dry, whatever you want, label them. Huge hit for Super Bowl party. Probably gonna be the #1 thing that gets eaten. So what we're doing today is just a classic that I love, which is 50-50 Franks and melted butter, which we've mixed up here. So we're gonna put all these wings in a metal bowl. As you can tell, they're crispy. And then however much sauce that you want. I'm just gonna make sure it's nice and mixed up. Give it a toss. Got a little messy trying to do something for a picture, but the main thing is that they're completely covered like that. I'm gonna put them back out on a wire rack just like that. Let them cool off just a little bit, and then give them a shot. All right, well, let's dig in and see how we did. Normally a flapper guy, but let's go this route with a drum to see how much crunch we got. Dude, super good. That's got to be one of my favorite wings. I know we've got a gajillion chicken wing videos on this channel, but honestly, like getting that smoke flavor, but yet crispy, big fan of that. You know, it's obviously a lot more complex than just straight smoke or straight frying. So I love this. Classic flavors of the Franks with the butter. I'm a big fan of that. I really love the sauce on it as well. That doesn't get any easier. The main thing is you just got to plan the time. You know, you got to have about 4 hours to get it all done. But obviously you got plenty of time between now and the Super Bowl this weekend to plan this out. But taking the time to smoke them properly, you know, like I said earlier, instead of just cooking these in 20-30 minutes, I think is definitely worth it. And, you know, Cowboys haven't been in the Super Bowl in 30 years, so I think I'll focus on the food like I have for the majority of my life. So this will definitely be on my menu. Be sure to check out the other chicken wing options that we have, the other tailgate options we have. They call us the kings of tailgating for a reason. We got all sorts of stuff in our tailgate playlist that you guys could use for the big game this weekend. Also, be sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next week.